Excel is installed in thousands of different sites in a range of vertical markets across the world, from education to finance, from health to hospitality. With a focus on system performance, independent verification, and a 25-year warranty available, it's easy to see why Excel is the system of choice across so many organizations and different vertical markets. Let's take a closer look at Excel in the business sector. Elior Group made the 15-story IG Tower in Paris home for their headquarters and required a high-performance infrastructure solution to optimize their business operations in a fast-moving industry. The Astro Tower underwent a major renovation to make it one of the most efficient buildings in the region, which is occupied by Actiris employment offices. Multiple departments from one organisation required access to the network at once, so high-speed connectivity and top-quality performance were crucial. The News UK building brought a range of media titles together under one roof, becoming a reliable office space for over 4,500 employees. The screened cabling solution was imperative to reduce alien crosstalk when occupants accessed the network at the same time, to ensure optimum efficiency and performance levels were achieved so as not to disrupt day-to-day operations. Those were just a few Excel installations in the business sector. Excel products are featured at small, medium and large office buildings as well as individual business locations across the world, and the Excel portfolio is continuing to evolve to incorporate products that boast the latest in technological innovations suitable for these environments. For more information about Excel reference sites and the latest installations in your country, please contact our sales team on 0121 326 7557 or send an email to sales@excel-networking.com.